Alright, so hello guys, welcome you all once again to this wonderful YouTube channel where you can find full of amazing shortcut tricks. So now I'm back with yet another super cool video where I'm going to reveal two excellent tricks from a redox reaction, and the credit goes to Kamali ma'am. Alright, so do watch the full video because I'm sure after watching the video you will never feel difficulty for solving the redox reaction balancing questions. Alright, so let's start the video. Now, the first, consider the following reaction. We have given a certain reaction X MnO4 minus plus Y SO3 2 minus plus ZH plus ion give rise to X Mn2 plus Y SO4 2 minus plus Z by 2 H2. Now, the value of X, Y and Z in the reaction are respectively. They have given some option. We have to find the value of X, Y and Z. How to find the reaction? You can proceed with the regular method, but as this is a shortcut trick video, I am going to tell you a very simple trick to balance this. First, balance charge. Okay, balance charge on both the side. What we have to do? First we have to do balance the charge. How we have to balance? First see here, X into minus 1. Just see the charge here. What charge we have? Minus, right? So minus 1 plus Y. What charge we have here? Minus 2. Okay. Now Z. What charge we have? Plus 1. Positive ion, right? So plus 1 is equal to X. What charge we have here? On manganese? Plus 2. Then on Y what we have? Minus 2. Similarly, plus Z by 2. Here they have given Z by 2. And charge, we cannot find any charge here. So let us take this as 0. Now very simple. What you have to do? Minus X, minus 1 into X, minus X. Then minus 2Y into Y. It's minus 2Y. Minus 2 into Y. Minus 2Y plus 3 give rise to, this is 2X and minus 2Y. That's all. Now what? Just solve this. Minus x, bring this 2x on the left hand side. It will become minus 2x. This will be minus 2y. Bring this minus 2y on the left hand side. It will become plus 2y. And this is z, not 3, it is z. Next, this one plus z is equal to 0. Now here minus 2y plus 2y gets cancelled. Minus 3x plus z is equal to 0. This is the equation we got. Now verify the options. Just verify the options by putting in this equation. Let us take option number A. What is option number A? 3, 5 and 6. Now what is the value of x? 3. So minus 3 into, what is the value of x? 3. Now next, plus what is the value of z? 6. We don't have y term here. Okay, we don't have y term. So what is the value of z here? 6. Now what is the answer? 3 3s are 9. Minus 9 plus 6 is never equal to 0. So first option is the wrong option. Now let us verify option number B. What is option number B? 2, 5 and 6. What is the value of x? 2. So substitute minus 3 into x value is 2 plus, what is the value of z? 6. Now this is the right answer maybe. 3 2s are minus 6. Here we have minus, so minus 6 plus 6. Absolutely it is equal to 0. Therefore second option is your right option. That's all. You got your answer for such big question. That's all. Very simple, right? Now let us move on to the trick number 2. Here again we can see a equation. Now to solve this equation, I'll be telling you few tricks. If you keep in mind those 4 tricks, okay, 4 tips, whatever you can call, then easily any type of question as from redox reaction, just to balance the charges, easily you can manage. Now what are those tricks? Here you can see the trick number 1. First of all, I'll be explaining you the trick by applying on the equation itself. Now what the trick number 1 says, tip number 1 says is, write the n factor of the reactant and cross multiply. See, we have to know the first we have to know n factor. Now if you don't know what is n factor, you can comment me below so that I can make a separate video on explaining about the n factor. Okay, because as this is a shortcut trick video, I'll generally be telling the direct value of the n factor here. Okay, now first, what is the first step? Write the n factor of the reactant and cross multiply. Okay, this is the first step. Now the n factor of MnO4 minus is, what is the n factor? It's 5. The n factor of NO2 minus as well as NO3 minus is 2. Now we wrote the n factor. What we have to do next? We have to cross multiply. It means we have to cross multiply. Now 2 comes here and 5 comes this side. we have to cross multiply the n factor. What is the next step? Balance other atoms. Balance other atom. But listen here, except oxygen and hydrogen, because we will be dealing with oxygen and hydrogen at last, because this is somewhat special case. They are some special, right? So we will be dealing with oxygen and hydrogen at the last step. What I told, balance the other atoms. Now, how many manganese atoms we have here? 2. So write 2 here. Here we have 5 nitrogen, so write 5 here. Second step completed. What is the second step? Balance atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. We have to balance. Now, other than oxygen and hydrogen, what we have? Manganese and nitrogen. So we have balanced it. Next, let us move on to the third step. What is the third step? Says balance charge on both the sides by adding H plus. Now count the charge. See here, we have 2 minus plus 5 minus. So 7 minus, total 7 minus we have here. How? See here, 2 minus and 5 minus, total 7 minus. Here if you look, 4 plus and 5 minus, 4 plus and 5 minus, 1 minus. So 1 minus is more here. Alright, so to balance this, what we have to do? Just add plus 6H plus. To balance the charge, I have added 6 plus. Why? Here we have minus 1. Okay, here we have minus 1. Therefore, to balance, here also we have to bring minus 1. Here we had how much? Minus 7 we had. But here totally we had minus 1. So to make this minus 7 as minus 1, I have added 6 positive ions. Very simple, right? See, no need to get tensed. Very simple. Just you have to balance the charges easily. Just simple maths we have to do. Very simple, right? Now, the last step. What we have to do? The last step, balance the hydrogen and oxygen atoms by adding water. We have to balance the hydrogen and oxygen atoms. So, to balance the hydrogen and oxygen atoms, what we have to do is, we have to check where the hydrogen atom lies. See here, we have 6 hydrogen. See, 6 hydrogen ions. So to balance the 6 hydrogen on the right side also, I am multiplying. How much I am multiplying? 3H2O. 3H2O. 3 2 is 6. 6 hydrogen. Here also I got. Here also I have 6 hydrogen. Right? 6 hydrogen on the left hand side. 6 hydrogen. 3 2 is 6. So 6 hydrogen on the right hand side. Hydrogen balance. Now you can check the oxygen also. Here 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 5 2 is 10. Total how much? Total is 18. Am I right? Total is 18. Now check here. 5 3 is 15 plus 3 oxygen atom. 3 oxygen atom. How much? 18. So oxygen is also balanced. That's all. You got your equation balanced. Very simple. Just follow these 4 steps. Remember this first step. Just follow this. By following this first step, any equation asked from redox reaction, just in minutes you can solve. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share with all your friends and invite them to this channel, because this is the only channel on YouTube where you can find physics, chemistry, mathematics as well as biology. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay? Thank you. Thanks a lot.